Hello everyone, here is today's problem, suitable for beginners. This is a question about AMGN inequality for beginners. Suppose xy are positive such that 2x plus 3y equals to 10. We are asked to find the maximum value for x cubed times y squared. Let J to be x cubed y squared. From 2x plus 3y equals 10, let x equals to y. Then 2x plus 3x equals to 10, meaning that x equals to 2 equals y. So J in this case equals to 2 power 3 and 2 power 2, which is 32. So is that possible for us to get a value of J that is more than 32? Now we will try this using AMGN inequality, but before that we shall write 2x as 2x over 3 plus 2x over 3 plus 2x over 3. And for 3y, we write as 3y over 2 plus 3y over 2. And this is exactly 2x plus 3y, and it is equal to 10. Now, using AMGN inequality on 5 terms, this expression is greater than or equal to 5 multiplied with 2x over 3 power 3, 3y over 2 power 2 raised to the power of 1 over 5. This means that 2 greater than or equals to 8 over 27 x power 3 and 9 over 4 y squared 1 over 5. This means that 2 to the power of 5 greater than or equals to 2 over 3 x power 3 y squared. And therefore x power 3 y squared less than or equals to 16 times 3, that is 48. The value 48 is obviously greater than 32. We will see that the equality holds if and only if 2x over 3 equals to 3y over 2. This means that y equals to 4x over 9. If y equals to 4x over 9, then 2x plus 3y equals to 10 implies that 2x plus 4x over 3 equals to 10, which means that 10x over 3 equals to 10 and x equals to 3. If x equals to 3, y equals to 4x over 9, that will be 3 over 9, that is 4 over 3. In this case, j equals to x cubed y squared equals to 3 cubed 4 over 3 squared. That would be 3 times 16, that is 48, which means that 48 is achievable. Then j is less than or equals to 48 and j equals to 48 is achievable. The maximum value of j is equals to 48. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again next time. Bye bye.